Okay, so here I have a interesting case. This is one of our buses. Came in from the factory not too long ago, and soon after there was a complaint. The bus was brought in back to the garage because the front end of the bus was low to the ground. So the bus was outside. I turned the bus on and brought it inside. As you can see here, I am using the DCF900 Dewalt 20 volt high torque impact, half-inch impact. And you see it's taken off these lug nuts. They are normally torqued to specifications is 450 foot-pounds. And so it's taking them off like nothing. So a good opportunity to show how good this tool works here. Now, obviously, I bought this tool because I work with big vehicles, and I don't have to plug in a airline to an impact gun just to remove lug nuts. So once I removed all the lug nuts, I left one on there, right, so the wheel doesn't fall off, and I have this lift here nearby. Now I can finish taking the wheel off. And again, this video is not about the high torque impact from Dewalt, but it's a great opportunity to show what it does. So here's the real issue at hand coming up. So once I removed the wheel, I was able to see what's going on. And this bus has front shocks, but it also has air spring. And this is what happened to the air spring. Now in the recording, I show one side, but I have the bus. I removed both front wheels to see what's going on behind the wheel. And actually, the air spring on both sides pretty much were destroyed, as you can see there. So I have some photos here now. So once I took off the airbags, I took some photos to document, to give to my foreman so he can send to the company. These buses were still under warranty. Now that's what happened there. These air springs are mounted onto a plate, a steel plate. Then it has a heavy-duty plastic base. As you can see there, the one on the left still has a piece of it. The one on the right is right under it there. But the air spring was mounted onto this right here without, this is the plate right here that it requires, and it didn't have it, so that's why the air springs eventually tore. It couldn't hold on to all the weight of the bus. Once I put in the air spring, I put the wheels back on, and the bus was ready for service. Thank you for watching.